Now this illustration deals with protection around swimming pools in accordance with 680.22 A as in Apple 1. Now notice the note calls out that the receptacle outlet height, though, shall be 6 foot 6 inches or less from grade as required by 680.22 A1. Now notice the receptacle is not allowed there with that motor within 6 foot. That is a space that it's not permitted to be located. But over that space, up to 10 foot, then we would might have a cord and plug connected circulating pump, and it would have to be located as shown in this illustration. You have a 6 foot, can't be located there, but over 6 foot, within the 10 foot, it would be required, and it would have to be located at least 6 foot 6 inches from the finished grade. Not a minimum height, but a maximum height. And that's what this figure 10-33 is illustrating.